Mbugua was born at Pumwani Maternity, Nairobi on 23rd August 1959. He was the firstborn child of Wilson Mbugua Gathu and the late Grace Wanjiru Mbugua and the late Miriam Njeri Mbugua. Notice that Baba yetu was a much married man. He had 2 wives and maybe others, we don't know. It is very likely. Lakini hawa tunajua weko wapi, wamelala pale na huyu anaitwa Grace Wanjiru Mbugua, ni mama wa Gibson. Most people don't even differentiate. Mimi ni mkubwa wa mama mkubwa, Miriam Njeri Mbugua. And most people don't tofautisha us. Utasikia mtu ananiita huko town. Sasa mtu. Sasa Wangai. Sasa ndugu. They don't differentiate between us siblings. And that is the way we want it to remain. Watu wa Bwana Mbugua, wale mko hapa, familia, wider family mpaka wale wa Gatundu, we will remain as a family. Msikubali watu watuwagawanishe, tubaki as a family. Na mimi nitasema hapa wazi, Mama Teresa ama Mama Mbugua ni bibi yetu. No one should try to poison our mind that hayuko rightfully in our boma. Madam, kanyaga uko kwako bila wasiwasi. Now, marriage and family. Gibson met Margaret Njeri and started their courtship in 1988. They later solemnized their marriage at Kayole Catholic Church in 1994, 10th December. They were blessed with 3 children, Teresa Mwihaki Gathu, Grace Wanjiru Gathu, and Ian Mbugua Gathu. He had several grandchildren named Ariela Hadassah, Jadiel Shalom, and among others. He was uncle to many. He was brother to Nicholas Gathu, ambaye ni mimi, the late Rose Wamboi Mburu, Harold Wangai Mbugua, huyu ana title, hata yeye ni shujaa. He is Kano Mbugua. Hebu alikuwa hapa, sorry, asiasimama. And Typhon Wangari Kerie, Wellington Muturi Mbugua, Rose Wamboi Mbugua, Josephat Ndungu Mbugua, Elizabeth Wanjiku Mbugua, Anthony Ndungu Mbugua, huyu tuko naye hapa, and Dadson Kuria Mbugua. He was cousin, na kumbusha iko kitina member wetu anaitwa Elizabeth Wanjiru, nimemwona hapa sasa, hajaandikwa hapa sijui. He was cousin to many. Among them, mmesikia simumeona mama ya minister hapa, Bwana Moses Kuria, simumeona mama yake hapa. The cousins, he is one of the cousins. And we have also to thank retired President Uhuru Kenyatta for having worked closely with our cousin Moses Kuria, among many others. So we are thankful for now. Yet, through your network, hizo shukran zifikie former retired president. Education and career. The late Gibson Gathu Mbugua started his early education at, hiyo imeandikwa hapo ni Morrison Primary. It is not Morrison Primary, although ziko pamoja. Alianza shule inaitwa Bahati Uhuru Primary School in 1967. He did his certificate of primary education, CPE, in 1974. In 1979, he joined the Voice of Kenya, which later became KBC. He featured in many programs, among them Vioja Mahakamani and Vitimbi. In 1980, he went to West Germany Cultural Festival. I think the only person ako hapa who was Gibson in Germany, Bwana Warohyo, uko karibu. Huyu tulikuwa naye, kuja watu wakuone. Shauri hata hapo chini mtaona Bwana Simon Warohyo, although ameandikwa Peter Warohyo, ni anaitwa Simon Warohyo. Huyu walianza jani ya usanii na Bwana Gibson. Asante sana. So he featured in many programs, among them Vioja Mahakamani and Vitimbi. So, in 1980, he went to West Germany Cultural Festival. He joined Darubini with the late Kemunio, also known as Mutiso. Lucy Wangui, yuko hapa, nimemwona. Si yuko hapa, madam? Thank you. Where is that? Mama Kayai, ama Mary Kabere, nimekuona. Karibu, asante sana. Na late Benson Wanjao, also known as Ojong Hatari. Peter Peter Simon ndio huyo nimemwita hapa. Waroch Masaduku ama Same Moya, George Kimani Karatasi, and Senior Sergeant Obadia. In 1993, he traveled to South Africa and acted in the film The Air Up There as Harimbo, alongside legendary actors such as Kevin Bacon, among others. In 1998, through a presidential decree, he was made an arts and cultural ambassador with the late Benson Wanjao or Juan. Lucy Wangui, magistrate, again, huyo ndio wale, Mary Kabere, Mama Kayai, Hira Mungai, Ondieki Nyukakwota, and Davis Wabili Omwala. The cultural ambassadors were to report directly to the Director of Culture, Mr. Kamau, at the Department of Culture, to be assigned different duties as cultural ambassadors, traveling as Vitimbi comedians. He played the role of prosecutor of Ngozi wa Mashtaka in Vioja Mahakamani for over 40 years, with Judge Lucy Wangui, Court Clerk Julius Thuita, Police Amka Twende, Benjamin Taski, Police Wariahe, Said Muhammad Said, Tamar bin Tamar, Peter Lukoe, Ondiek Kakwota, Ohira Mungai, Samuel Mwangio Toyo, Peter Kemunio, Omutiso, Jeffrey Jokteno, Kamukunji, Mwalukumbi, Likobe, and Beatrice Wangari Myers. Church life. His personal walk with Christ began in 2018 while he was in USA. He rededicated his life to Christ on the 5th September 2022. He was active member of ACK Church Karagita. He was dedicated to the service, contributing to the projects, among many others. Illness. Gibson was blessed with good health throughout his life until 20 years ago, when he was diagnosed with diabetes and blood pressure. 2020 November, he was admitted at Nairobi West Hospital, where he was diagnosed with kidney failure. He was discharged after 2 weeks. Later plans were made for kidney transplant on 18th July 2022 at Medhill Hospital, which was successful. He later developed complications in September 2022, which culminated in a cardiac arrest on 7th September 2022. He was in the ICU until his demise. All I can say is his soul and the soul of those of us who are lying there and others who are lying there, may God be pleased with them. Thank you very much.
Gibson Gathu Bogua. Matiga Gibson Gathu Bogua, aciarirwo thibitarĩ-inĩ wa Pumwani Maternity Nairobi, mweri 23 wenana 1959. Arĩ irigithathi mwana wa mbere wa Wilson Bogua Gathu, na mũtigairĩ Grace Wanjiru Bogua, na mũtigairĩ Miriam Njeri Bogua. Kĩhiko gĩake na family. Gibson acemanirie na Margaret Njeri na makĩanjia ngwatanĩro yao mwaka wa 1988. Magĩcoka makĩnyitithanio kanitha-inĩ wa Kayole Catholic Church mwaka wa 1994 mweri 10 December. Nĩ marathimirwo na ciana ithatũ iria arĩ Triza Mwihaki Gathu, Grace Wanjiru Gathu, na Ian Bogua Gathu. Ararĩ na tũcũcũ tũiganona: Ariela Hadassa, Jadiel Shalom, na ararĩ anko aingĩ. Ararĩ brother Nicholas Gathu Bogua, mũtigairĩ Rose Wambui Iboro, Harold Wangai Bogua, retired lieutenant colonel, Stephen Wangari Kĩarie, Wellington Mũturi Bogua, Rose Wambui Bogua, Josephat Ndongo Bogua, Elizabeth Wanjiko Bogua, Anthony Ndongo Bogua, Elizabeth Wanjiru Bogua, na Dabson Kuria Bogua. Ararĩ cousin wa aingĩ. Mũtigairĩ Gibson Gathu Bogua anjirie cukuru-inĩ wa primary wa Morrison Primary School, Bahati, mwaka-inĩ wa 1967. Agĩka certificate ya CPE 1974. 1979 nĩ ajoinire VOK, Voice of Kenya, ĩrĩa acokire gũtuĩka Kenya Broadcasting Corporation. Nĩ athakĩte programu nyingĩ, ĩrĩa ĩmwe yarĩ vioja, mahakamani na vitingi. Mwaka wa 1980 nĩ athire West Germany Cultural Festival. Agĩcoka akĩjoin Darubini mena mũtigairĩ Kĩmonio aka Motiso, Lucy Wangui aka Magistrate Judge, Mary Kavere aka Mama Kayai, the late Benson Wanjao aka Ojuang Hatari, Simon Warohio, Waroj, Masanduku, Samimuya, John Tilmani, Karatasi, and Senior Sergeant Obadia. Mwaka-inĩ wa 1993 nĩ athire South Africa kuact film yetagwo The Air Up There, na agĩthaka part ya Harimbo mena Njorua ta Kevin Bacon na arĩa angĩ. Na nĩ ngĩamũhe karũgano kanini ndaririkana hĩndĩ ya South Africa. Nĩ atũire na gift, akĩndehera kĩratũ gĩetagwo nĩandeheire kĩratũ gĩetagwo Fubu. Kĩndehera kĩratũ gĩetagwo Fubu, na kĩhinda kĩu ndiarĩ mũndũ straight. Maisha makwa nĩ mathiaga kombo kombo na ngĩendia, exactly, ngĩendia nĩgetha nganyue cang'aa. Na mũthenya ũcio nĩ ndirikanaga nĩ ndaugaga kwa mama Pima, no rĩu ngĩkĩrĩ mũrũngarũ makoha. Mimi ni tall, dark and handsome, lakini wewe ni short, black na handsome. Okay. nĩndendirie kĩrato kĩu no ndĩmũcokia thutha hanini nĩndũ maica marĩa ndakoragwo namo rĩ ndekoraga on the wrong side of the law na nĩokaga kanduta no rita rĩ ndendia kĩrato rĩ nĩwe wendaga kũnyitithia ati liwe funzo kwangu na watu wengine kama mimi. Fortunately nĩndateteirwo nĩ actor wĩho wĩtagwo Njaga wa kĩrĩa cia Gĩkũyũ Njaga Katrodie kaneo nĩwe waniokoire gĩkirio thĩinĩ no ndamenya ona nyitithia no ekũnduta. Koguo Gibson are more than a brother to me, father figure, role model. Nĩacĩpĩte maica makwa na ndĩramũcokeria ngatho. Kethi na mbere agĩthiĩ gũthaka thĩ up there. Mwaka wa 1998 kugerera presidential decree nĩatuirwo ambassador wa arts and culture. Mena Benson wa Ojwang, Lucy Wangui magistrate, Mary Kavere, Mama Kayai, Hira Mongai, Ondieki Nyuka Kuota na Davis Mwambili Mwala. Matuo ambassador culture ma reportagi kore mũrũgamĩrĩri wa culture Mr. Kamau department ni ya culture kuria mahetwo duty tofauti. Thabarĩ yao ta visiting comedians. Agakaga role ya prosecutor kana mũrũgamĩrĩri wa thitango vioja mahakamani kwa miaka 40. Mena Jaji Lucy Wangui, karani wa igoti Julius Doita, mũthigari Amka Twende, Benjamin Taski, police mũthigari wa Riahe Said Mohamed Said, Tama bin Tama Peter Lukoya, Ondieki Nyuka Kuota, Hira Mongai, Samuel Mwangi Otoyo, Peter Kemonio Motiso, Joyfrey Jokteno Kamkunji, Mwalukumbi Likobe, Beatrice Wangari Mayas. Kuonoka gwake kana gũtwarana na Kristo ajirie mwaka wa 2018 ekũrĩa America. Agĩcoka akĩdedicate maica make kũrĩ Kristo mweri 5 September 2022. Ararĩ mũmemba wa ACK Anglican Church of Kenya, kanitha wa Karagita kũrĩa Mĩhang'o. He was dedicated nĩarathimĩtwo na ũgima mwega wa mwĩrĩ mĩaka-inĩ yake yothe kinya mĩaka 20 mĩhĩtũku rĩrĩa akorirwo na mũrimũ wa cukari na blood pressure. Mwaka wa 2020 November nĩakomire thibitarĩ wa Nairobi West Hospital kũrĩa akorirwo ena thĩna wa higo. Akiuma thibitarĩ thutha wa wiki 2 na hĩndĩ ĩyo gũgĩbangwo ũrĩa higo yake egũcenjio. July 18, 2022 nĩathire Medihill Hospital na agĩkwo transplant ĩrĩa yathirio wega. After hau agĩkorwo na tũmathĩna tũrĩa twacũngĩrĩirie cardiac arrest ya ngoro. Akoretwo ICU kinya kũhurũka gwake. Ngai amwe amũrathime.
Ciana cia Ngai mũrega inyuothe tũtikĩgeithanie cia rĩera-inĩ mũrega ciana cia Ngai. Niĩ ndarũgama haha mbere yanyu
igana hinya ũmĩrĩria